Understanding copper gasket, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, copper gasket. Understanding such specific terms can be really helpful in expanding your English vocabulary, especially in technical contexts. Let's dive in. A gasket is a mechanical seal that fills the space between two or more mating surfaces, generally to prevent leakage from or into the joined objects while under compression. Gaskets are commonly made from a variety of materials, depending on the type of application and the environment they need to withstand. So, why copper? Copper is a metal known for its excellent thermal and electrical conductivity. In the context of gaskets, copper is valuable for its durability, flexibility, and resistance to corrosion. This makes copper gaskets particularly useful in environments where they are exposed to heat, such as in engines or electrical equipment. Copper gaskets are widely used in various industries. They are especially crucial in automotive, electrical, and plumbing systems. In cars, for instance, copper gaskets are often used in the engine to ensure a tight seal. Their ability to withstand high temperatures without losing their sealing properties is key in such high-performance applications. While discussing copper gaskets, it's important to mention maintenance. Regular checks are essential to ensure that the gaskets are functioning properly. A failed gasket can lead to leaks, which in severe cases, can cause significant damage to machinery or electrical systems. That's all about copper gaskets. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what a copper gasket is, its applications, and its importance in various fields. Remember, expanding your vocabulary with such specific terms can significantly enhance your English language skills, especially in professional contexts. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.